The Belongia manufacturing program is open to any junior or senior in the Green Bay Area Public School District. It's giving the students some real-world manufacturing experience, which then they can carry on over to the local technical school or into the job market.
Belongia Manufacturing is a student-led job shop where we make parts for companies that they come to us and they ask us, oh, can you make this part? And then we have to go through the process of evaluating it. We give them the estimate and they have to okay it. And then when they okay it, we make the part and then we start production on it.
You come in, you can do everything from working on the mills, the CNCs, the plasma cutter, running the bandsaw. And you don't just sit around making parts, you also can call the customers.
Besides the technical skills the students are learning, we do teach them how the business side of manufacturing works. So the students are responsible for coming up with a quote when a customer requests a purchase order. So the students learn how to figure out how much material we need, how long it's going to take us to make it, how we're going to deliver it to the customer and things like that. The money that we charge the customer then goes back into the program for equipment updates, but also based upon how successful we are in our sales, the students receive a portion of the profits in a profit sharing program which we have.
Through Belongia Manufacturing, it helped me figure out what I wanted to do. So it helped me get into my youth apprenticeship that I have.
In addition to the Green Bay Area Public School District credits the students are receiving, they also are earning 5 college credits from Northeast Wisconsin Technical College.
Through Belongia and welding, I've gotten a lot of college credits, so that will help me in the future for when I want to go to college.
If a student asked me if they should apply for Belongia, I would say go for it, because it's a great opportunity for education. You get credits early.
I say there's nothing to lose, so take the class. You get the credits. You get a scholarship from it if you pass it, and yeah, there's nothing to lose. It's a lot of fun.